Health is of utmost essence. If health is in jeopardy, it throws any individual's life off balance. Today, technology has transformed the face of healthcare in India. Quality healthcare is now available even in the remotest parts of the country. Telemedicine has brought advanced healthcare into the heart of rural India. With affordable and accessible healthcare, villagers are now reorienting their priorities towards health.
The rural areas of the country, comprising 73% of the total population, have access to less than 20% of the healthcare facilities. Increasing burden of non-communicable diseases and emerging life-threatening communicable diseases mandate serious attention. E-health platform and healthcare technology can cut across geographical boundaries and ensure accessibility and availability. Sitting in a clinical hub in Vijayawada, 100 kilometers away from 265 villages in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh, we are able to extend primary healthcare services to 10 lakh population through 20 of our telemedicine centers. The endeavor is to detect early, extend efficient consultation and essential diagnostic and pharmaceutical services consistently leveraging technology. While the teleconnect ensures and enhances access to free medical consultations, cost-to-cost essential lab and pharma services help in saving on the cost of unnecessary travel and to save loss of gainful employment hours.
What we set up in this project is healthcare clinics in rural villages which can offer the clinical consultations with the physicians, a pharmacy, lab and diagnostic services. In these clinics, the primary interface used is the telemedicine technology, and all of these clinics is a 4-room concept. A 1 room for the patient waiting room, second is the consultation room with the telemedicine kiosk with the connected medical devices, third is for the pharmacy, fourth is for lab and diagnostic services. All this setup is in the area of 450 to 550 square feet. Each of this clinic is manned by a senior nurse, a qualified pharmacist and a patient coordinator.
Hi, as a medical officer, I am able to consult around 60 to 70 cases per day and provide medical support from this hub which is located in Vijayawada. This makes me happy as I am able to serve people who are remotely located in this Krishna district, and I can provide them rapid, accurate, real-time advice.
Patient coming into telemedicine clinic for consultation will be greeted by the nurse in the reception. Nurse will have a detailed conversation with the patient to understand chief complaint, patient clinical history and other health related problems in order to complete registration process. After completing the registration, nurse will check the height, weight, BP, BMI and random blood sugar of the patient. Patient will be directed to the consultation room by the nurse where data will be updated in the software to help the doctor to understand the patient clinical status. Upon completing data updation, nurse will connect the patient to the doctors through virtual waiting room. Doctor will go through the reports shared by the nurse and discuss with the patient to assess his clinical condition. Doctor will use connected medical device available in virtual consultation kiosk like digital stethoscope, multipara monitor, dermoscope and ECG machine to examine the patient thoroughly. After examining the patient, doctor will provide clinical guidance based on the condition of the patient. Doctor may refer patient to laboratory for further diagnostics or prescribe medicines if required.
Tata Trust has established 20 telemedicine clinics, 1 doctor's hub and 1 mobile medical unit to serve the primary healthcare needs of the population in Krishna district rural area. To cater the diagnostic needs of the patients visiting the clinics and the camps being organized through MMU, a centralized lab has been established in Ibrahimpatnam. All the samples being collected from the patients in clinics and the camps were being brought to the laboratory by a lab runner. The laboratory can process a minimum of 1500 samples per day. All these devices in the laboratory were virtually connected through an interface wherein the sample reports are being directly shared to the clinics through email.
To provide medical health services to the remote villages and inaccessible locations in Krishna district, we from Tata Trust organize outreach medical camps.
The camp is organized effectively. There were a lot of efforts being put into ensure a maximum utilization of services being provided. A prior announcement was made in the entire village by using public addressing systems. All the village volunteers, health workers, ASHA and Anganwadi were informed about this medical camp. A mobile medical unit staff calls and inform the existing patients of the village about this camp. This we could able to ensure a maximum utilization of services offered in a camp.
This mobile medical unit consists of 2 doctor consultation cabins, a portable laboratory, a dispensary pharmacy and an optometrist cabin. We could be able to serve around 200 people in each camp. This service is very useful to the elderly people who have challenges in commuting from their villages to hospitals which are far away from the cities and towns.
Mobile medical units complement telemedicine centers and extend services to remote locations. The units participate in school and industrial health surveys and also participate in outbreak response.
To serve the underprivileged kids studying in government schools, we are conducting camps in schools on regular basis. All the students are screened for height, weight, BMI and hemoglobin for nutritional assessment. It is very essential to educate them on good health and nutrition as they are the future of our nation. We from Tata Trust, after completing medical camps, conduct health awareness sessions about physical exercise, nutritional diet, hygiene and cleanliness. With this, we want to build a healthy nation.
Primary healthcare through telemedicine program has so far provided consultations to more than 1,28,000 patients. Interestingly, 55% of the population who visited the clinics were women. Since the consultations and screening is free of cost, patients are now able to cut down 70% of their medical expenses.
Telemedicine centers have made healthcare accessible and have eased the burden on healthcare professionals. Programs like Asman have ensured increased efficiency in the system, and Anganwadi workers have helped in increasing health awareness. Rural Indians are embracing change, adopting technology, and moving towards better standards of healthcare and living.